this video, we are going to talk about the lip color corrections. So there's the dark and the white patches are in his lips. We are going to correct that. So the process has got started now. As you can see, we are going to match his exact skin tone as per his natural tone. So as you all know, this process is the only way to get rid of this and get the neutral lip colors. Whether it might be the dark happens because of smoking lips, or it might be happens because of a dark pigmented, whatever it might be, we can bring out the best output from this techniques or from these methods. So this video is a fast forwarded one. So as you can see, the process is done little more faster, but it's not. We are going to be done with a more smooth and the good one. Because of its fast forwarded, it will be looks little more harder way, but it is not. As you can see, we are matching that extract lip. After done this, your lip is going to look little reddish in tone. That's completely common. It's just because of bleeding as well as little swelling. So it's all will get settled down in a 1 or 2 days. You no need to worry about it. Many of the time, clients coming from the different states and different districts. So we require the clients to book an appointment and then come down. We always recommend our clients to go ahead with the patch test first, then go ahead with the remaining places of the body. And we have attached our contact number in the description. Please do check it once. And if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you out. Our relationship managers can help you out. And we would like to know about your thoughts in the comments. So please do comment us. So the process is almost gonna get over. So as you can see, this is the final result of his lip. It was so smooth and good. And the little swelling is there, but the swelling will get settled down. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't die mute.